So you can use my pottery in a lot of different ways throughout the house. The number one way that I hope people use my pots are when they're cooking. There's a lot of different pots that you can have in and around your kitchen, from the whole process of cooking and making a meal, from grating your garlic to storing your garlic to baking something in a casserole to serving things on platters and beautiful plates and drinking a warm cup of cocoa on a cold winter's day out of a handmade mug. There's nothing like it. Being a potter, I have an appreciation for other people's work as well. I have a huge collection of other people's work. It's definitely an obsession. Food is how pottery intimately ties in with our lives. We all eat food, and I make pots for the everyday foodie. You know, we don't have to make glamorous food, but just the food that speaks to you, and plating it in a bowl that's made with love. You make your food with love, so why not?